Hey guys, welcome back. This time I have an amazing opening for you. It is the new Match Attax Extra 2014-2015 trading cards from Topps. 10 cards per pack. I do have the starter pack as well there, where you do get a limited edition card, and I do have 10 packs to open, guys. So lots of awesomeness to go through on this video. And like I say, I do have the starter pack, which comes with a limited edition gold card, and there you can see that poking through there, and of course you get the binder included as well. But let's start opening and see what we get, and then I can recap at the end of the video. Okay then guys, so recap time, and I managed to score another Diego Costa 100 club card. I did buy the 5-pack, the multi-pack, and I got one in there as well. So yes, 200 club cards guys, that is extremely rare, but I managed to do it. And there you go, this is the only 100 club card you can get in this Match Attax Extra trading card set. So very pleased with that. So next up we have Sergio Aguero, and this is the gold limited edition card that came with the starter pack, or the starter binder pack. So there you go, very cool. And I did manage to pull a Steven Gerrard bronze limited edition card, which doesn't happen very often guys in the single packs, but it can happen, and there you go, there is proof of that. So we have 2 limited edition cards, hat-trick hero cards. We have Charlie Austin, and we also have Sergio Aguero as well on the hat-trick hero cards. We have 2 of those. And next up we have new signings. We have 2 of those as well. We have Philip Walsheed on the new signing, and we have Yaya Sanogo. I'm probably saying that name wrong guys, please do excuse my pronunciation of some of these names. Next we have man of the match. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, so these seem quite common, the man of the match cards. Let's just flick through these and you can see them as I go through. I'm not going to pronounce all of the names, I can just let you see them all. Some of these names, especially that one, it's near enough unpronounceable. So there you go, there are all of the man of the match cards. And we have some duo cards as well. These seem quite common as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those as well. So let's just flick through these and you can see those as well. All very nice cards though. Again guys, the holographic design on these are very, very good, and I love how there are different designs, holographic designs for different cards. Man of the match, for example, is different to the duo cards, just the same as the Match Attax 2014-2015 set before the extra one came out, which is this one. But there are pretty much the 3 awesomest cards that I managed to get in this 10-pack opening. Well, thanks for tuning in once again, and please do check in next time for more trading card pack openings and of course toy reviews.